Hi guys, Nate from the Grappling Lab, here with Tony. Going to have a look at how we can get out of mount with a bridge and roll escape. Hi guys, let's break down that escape from mount in a little bit more detail. The first thing I want to do before I even attempt this mount escape is make sure Tony's down over the top of my hips, yeah? If Tony's up in a high mount scenario here, with his knees inside my elbows, I need to brace against his hips and start to shoulder walk down to get him over my hips. Otherwise, when I bridge my hips, I don't have any effect. If he's right up underneath my armpit, I can barely move him at all, right? So, brace on his hips, drive him down over the top of my hips. From here, I'm going to use a combination of lifting my hips up and pushing him with my knee to get his hands onto the mat. Traditionally, we just put this foot back down, but instead of that, we're going to place our foot on top of our other leg to pin him in that position. So I bridge up, place my foot on top of my other leg. From here, that makes it much harder for Tony to sit back, and it gives me much more time to trap this arm here. All right, so I'm trapping this arm with a gable grip, palms together, folding in at the elbow, and holding this forearm against my chest. From here, I'm going to take my leg off, causing him to sink down, and I'm going to shoot my hands around here and re-establish that gable grip. Now I've completely trapped his arm, and I have his head pinned to me. From here, if I try to bridge and roll, he's still going to be able to post out with this near foot. So I still need to trap this foot here. All my power is now going to come from my right foot, up and over, securing my escape.